All right, guys, welcome into today's video. Of course, we got to touch base on the CPI data that came out today, and we just got to give some just general updates on MMAT and MMTLP. No real big updates in this video, not really much to get out there. So just an overall general video here about just the day's action. So here you can see that if you type in CPI today, CNBC has an article, Dow tumbles 1,200 points for the worst day since June of 2020 after hot inflation report. Here you can see the Wall Street Journal, stock market today, Dow plunges 1,200 points after CPI report shows U.S. inflation slowed to 8.3% in August. So not looking good. This is why you're seeing a lot of red in the markets today. There's a tweet out here, and CPI came in at 8.3% year over year today. What do you think the real inflation number is? And he has this tweet down here and saying that if the actual says if they did not change the way they calculate the CPI, the actual CPI headline number would read 16.47% year over year. So here's the actual of 2021, $100. Here you can see the Bureau of Labor Statistics right here at the 108.26. And here you can see the shadow stats at 116.47. So that's the shadow government statistics alternate CPI. So are we really 8.3% or are we really 16.47? To me, it feels like we are at 16 some percent. He also has this tweet out here, which I do agree with. Biden says he's not concerned about today's inflation data. He's not concerned. That's kind of scary because, as you know, CPI has been going crazy. I posted this on here before, and just doesn't seem like he cares. I don't know. I don't know. When's it going to wake up? I mean, what are we going to be doing next? We're going to be raising the basis points here, probably 75 or 100 points coming up, and this may happen for a few more months. I don't know, man. 2022 is not looking good if he's not worried about the CPI numbers right now. All right. So let's go take a look actually at the price action here today. All right. And I just refreshed this and we went slightly green. S&P futures are up 4 points. Dow futures are up 43 points. NASDAQ futures are up 4 points and the Russell was down less than half a point. Here you can see Metamaterials today was down 4.28% during the regular trading hours. We gained back a little over 0.5%, ending 82 cents. Which I could say in this destroyed market, that's not really too bad considering what some other stocks have felt. Here you can see average volumes a little over 6 million. We traded 3.2 million. MMTLP actually found a little bit of green today. Imagine that. In this bear market where everything was going down after those numbers came in hot, MMTLP stayed green, up 1.35%. At $1.50 even. And here you can see average volumes 323,000. We traded 209,000, almost 210,000. I mean, I think we should be getting any day now. Hopefully to get some kind of update from the SEC. And then it's going to be time for the rats to scurry. I'm going to be so ready for that. I'm just so waiting on this. I'm really thinking about just buying a few more shares to add the position before this big announcement comes out. So yeah, I'm just curious to see what these market makers are going to do. I dare them to drop this down dirt cheap because I will sell out of positions and buy this up. So I dare these market makers, hedge funds, try to pull some tricks to scare people for us to sell our MMTLP. I hope they drop this to 10 cents because I will sell positions and buy MMTLP. So just putting that out on the table, I will sell to buy the dip on MMTLP. That's a no-brainer if it does come to that. So we will see. I already got a nice position out. I'm thinking about adding some more. If any crazy price action happens, I will sell and buy more of this. All right, taking a look here at the FinTel on Metamaterials. Days to cover is at 8.34%. Get down here and look at the short shares that is available. 150,000. Now, that's really, really low. At one point today, we was down at 0. Then we was at 60,000, 100,000, 150. It wasn't just but last week or maybe the other week, we were showing like 2 and 3 million. They were actually returning a lot. But now we are down to about none available at the prime brokers the FinTel covers. Short bar fee is at 10.13%. So still pretty nice fee there for them to pay. Looking here at the Fender short volume ratio, almost at 51%, is at a 50.92. And the aggregate short volume ratio of 49.59. So basically 50-50 today on the short volume ratio. And if we look up here, the short interest percent of float is at 9.3%. Okay, and here we got someone asking George if they're going to be at the Battery Show in Michigan. And here you can see George replied back, our team will be in attendance and meeting partners and customers. Now, that is awesome to hear. I love that when we are at these events that we are meeting with partners and customers, because customers and partners is huge. Going to be bringing in revenue in the future, which is great. So hopefully these turn into nice deals, generate some good revenues for us down the road. Gardner Wade did have this tweet out here. I believe it was from yesterday. Welcome new members of the Lazar Alliance. All roads lead here. Holographic RGB multiplex combiners and cold casted RX by refringents free lens blank equals one-stop shop. I don't really understand what all that means, but looking at the gift, the eyeball is pretty awesome looking. I hope this turns into something good. If you go to this Twitter page, it's really not active at all. They haven't really posted since August 30th, 2021. Here they did have a post here November 4th, 2021. So they haven't posted in a while. So of course I went in here and followed it. We will see if they have any updates, which I see all the other metamaterial people as following it as well. So interesting. All right. So taking a look here at oil. Yes. Oil is kind of getting hot again along with natural gas. WTI crude is at $87.22. Brent crude is at $93.04. Natural gas is at $8.46. Natural gas is at $8.46. Here you can see this title here. Wall Street is increasingly bullish on energy stocks. So natural gas, there's an article out there. I want to say it was from CNBC about natural gas is going to be in high demand right now. So that is awesome for our land. Trading Secrets Alley put out a video today. Go check it out. It's about a private company being bought for over $5 billion. So make sure to go check out Alley's video. Yeah, it's pretty amazing video. And that's actually going to be a deal with cash and stock of a publicly traded company. And we have mentioned that before, that is a possibility. Once this becomes private, how long it's set private, we don't know. Is it a couple months? Is it a year, 2 years? We don't know how long it's going to set private. I believe the video Roller Pigeon did, some of the wording that was in some of the filings makes her believe it's going to be a pretty quick sale. So maybe within the first few months, we'll get a quick sale. And maybe it'll be all cash and stock, or just stock. We'll have to wait and see. Just remember, if you're looking for that, especially in a dividend, and if it is stock of a publicly traded company, you can just sell the shares as soon as you get them. So don't be mad if it's a stock swap. That's your option if you want to sell that stock when you get that. So keep that in mind. Getting a stock isn't a bad deal. Sell part, keep part. Do what you want, sell it all. So yeah. Go check out Roller Pigeon. Go check out Alley. They got great videos out here about the dividend. Basically, life's been just kind of busy, man. I'm trying to bring you all some stuff, but there's some great DD out there. So I just want to make sure you all go check out all their videos, of course, because there's great stuff you all should know. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.